Hello folks, this evening we're going to be doing a little bit of talking here before we get to the video. We planted some more corn this evening. We planted another row of taters. To be honest, things ain't looking too well. As you can tell, you going to the store, gas stations, just please, I hope you've been stocking up a little bit, buying extra here and there whenever you go to the store. Enough with that. We'll talk about that later on. Still got my old work shirt on from work. I'm going to start telling you about some of the channels that we watch, and we won't overload you. We'll do a couple today, 2 or 3, and but one of them is Last Days Homestead. Miss Gracie and her Papaw Bill, they've got a great channel, folks. She is a good gardener. She's a great gardener, and she's got a bunch of pretty chickens. You get a chance, check them out. We'll have the link in the description. Like I said, great channel, folks. And another one is Anita at Flower Folk Farm, and I'm going to mention her this evening. We're going to have the link in the description, but I didn't know nothing about this stuff until we watched her channel. It's called Lab. I believe it's short for lactic acid bacteria, I believe. You can make it yourself. It's good for your plants, your flowers, your dirt. Check that channel out. She'll show you how to make it. Hello to you too there, Mr. Bird or Miss Bird. Another good channel is Tommy over at Mott's Family Homestead. We'll have their link in the description also. And we'll start talking about some of the other channels we watch. We enjoy them. Hopefully you all will too. If not, at least you give them a try. I'm going to get off here now, and we'll get to the video. And I'll tell you now, I'd like to thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, hit the bell notification, and let your friends know about us. Like I said, folks, we're just a plain old simple family, striving to become more self-sufficient, but slowly getting there. And like I said, I urge everybody to try. If you're able to grow something, do it, or put up everything you can. Go to the store, buy a couple extra cans of stuff. But like I said, we won't get onto that this evening there. And you all have a blessed day. And let's see, today's Friday. It'll be Friday when you're all watching this. Hope you all have a great weekend. And we'll be seeing you soon. We'll be talking to you later. Bye. Alrighty, folks. Thought I'd show you how the plants are coming along. These ones that got sunburned, they're starting to grow out of it now. We still got some more to up pod here. Here's the green beans we started. They're looking nicely. Back there's our pepper plants. Alright, there's our onions. We'll be planting them outside soon. Just thought I'd give you a little bit of a update how they're looking. Coming along nicely, I believe. Looks like it's gonna storm. I think they are getting some storms tomorrow. But we're gonna go ahead and plant some corn. Hopefully this weekend we'll get some PVC pipe and get our caterpillar tunnel fixed. Now let's plant some corn. We're going to be planting glacial white. We're going to be using this cedar here, and we'll see how it does. We've had this cedar for years. Pouring in the corn. Now, one little helpful tip with this, I think I told you last year, kind of lean it to the side. To where the seed will get filled up there. Back it up here a little bit, make sure to load it up. Throw one out. Alrighty. Today's homesteading with Miss Gracie and her Papaw Bill. Great channel, folks. You get a channel? Nah. Hello, folks. Sitting here this evening with Miss Dixie. We're going to talk a little bit there. Yeah, thank you. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Alrighty, honey. Let's talk to camera. Okay, we're going to talk just a little bit before we get to the video. It'll be a quick, short video, folks. I really don't know what all Dan took pictures of there today, but we planted a little bit of corn. We planted another row of taters. And but we'll be showing you our plants, how they're coming along. They're looking good, knock on wood, Lord willing. Be hardening them off soon. Carolyn will be doing that there, her and Dan, and we'll explain that process to you again. I think we did last year, but we'll do it again. And I'd just like to talk a little bit about some of the other channels that we watch. There's several. There's oodles that we watch, and what we'll do, get your butt out of my face, little girl. There's a blooper. Okay, Dan, leash her up. There. That there just be a blooper. Go ahead. We'll go with the last one.
Alright. GoPro, stop.
Go.